Governance is defined as the process, system, and practice through which decisions are made, authority is exercised, and resources are managed to achieve the goal and objective of an organization, or can be community or nation. The concept of governance has been arrived initially with the uh, Pluto definition. He defined the term the governance firstly. Then, after philosophical Aristotle defined the democracy, governance as a democracy rather than autocracy. Then, after historical development of governance brought in 1628, while Declaration of Petition of Right. Then, after new concept of governance has been arised in 1688, while Bill of Right was declared. In 1748, Montesquieu bring the concept of three bodies of governance system, that is executive, legislative, and judiciary. He defined the governance with the concept of separation of power among three bodies. Then, after John Adams brought the concept of check and balance among these three bodies, that is executive, legislative, and judiciary. In 1885, A.B. Dicey bring the concept of rule of law. In 1945, while establishment of UNO, the concept of governance brought globally. After Declaration of Human uh, Right in 1948, the governance system concept the interest of people in the nation and as a globally. In Nepal, same as the development of governance system has been arised from ancient time, and now Nepal is exercising as a federal governance system since 2072 BS. Thank you.